Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I'm thinking more and more that this drive still has some pretty significant issues. Now, it's always possible that it is something with the circuit board, but I don't believe it. I think we're still dealing with sticky stuff. Anyway, that's hot. Oh, it's funny how things that have heat sinks on them are likely to get hot. So, what am I doing? Well, I'm pulling, this is the board. It was on disk drive number 3. And here is the second drive, and it looks not bad. I was looking for my lubricant, but I couldn't really find it. But it's working kind of, but I don't trust it. So I gotta find lubrication to clean up the rails and see what's what. So we'll put this back on. We'll flip this over. And we'll write up a data card. Alright, so 1541 power supply. Okay. Drive Mac seems sticky. Board removed for other testing. Let's see now. This is 201 9501. Japan 9501. Japan. Okay. All right then. So we'll tape this on the bottom of the drive. And set this aside. Okay, now what is this? Drive Mac seems good. Okay. This is another of the ones that we've been testing. And indeed, the drive mechanism seems okay. So, to give this a whirl, we're going to take the board that is mostly untested, really, from the previous. Oh, come on. The previous drive. We didn't take any chips out because it seemed to be okay. It seemed the drive mechanism had issues. So we'll plug plug everything in to test this board upon this thing. Alright, power switch is off. Stereo cable goes in. We are not turned on yet at all. Alright, we will be turned on in a moment. We are turned on. Okay, here is a scratch disk. So we're going to type in run. We're going to say 1. Let's just run through this one time. Let's see what happens. And so far, just in glancing at it, it looks to be doing what it should be doing. It is formatting. Oh, we'll see. Okay, it may be. Hang on. It looks like it's working okay. The time lapse I did show a lot of head moving, but it was weird. Weird, 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 weird. Very strange. Indeed. Yep, 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 yep. But it does seem to be doing its thing, and it's not slimed. The other one, he went going back and forth and testing the head thing. It's supposed to just go back and forth and back and forth. And that other one, it was just doing strange stuff. Very strange. So we'll just see how this does. But I think this will do fine. But we'll see. We will see. This one, oh, this too. I like it. The more things are socketed, the better. So this one has the 6502 socketed, the 6522, the 6522, the 325.527.01, and 901.229.05, and then, oh, I can't hardly read that. Anyway, all the big chips are socketed, and that is a good sign. Someone asked me if Commodore had, if every chip in their things were by Moss, and I said, no, not really. Depends where they could get a better deal, I think. Like I see the Mitsubishi symbol in here. I see the Moss symbol. And a lot of Mitsubishi. And something I don't know. So, if they could buy them for cheaper, they could make them. That's what they do. And I think, really, a lot of the little chips, like the support chips, there we go. Back and forth. Back and forth. That's what it's supposed to do. Back and forth. Beautiful. The other one was not doing this. It really wasn't. It was stuttering along. And it may be because of lubrication. It may be. Anyway, this is a good way to test these things. And I would imagine that after this, maybe I'll test the other one. What are we doing? Oh, now it's filling the disk. Okay, this is the long part of the test that I added because I wanted to just know, is it going to work? Is it going to fill the disk? You're going to write completely except for one block. One block. Will it? Can it? Will it? Can it? And I would like to think that it can. But this is moving very well. The other one was struggling along. It was, and I know, well, you saw from the Q-tips, I removed all kinds of slime. It may have been well-intentioned grease from years ago, but it wasn't anymore. So I will have to find the white lithium grease or something. I know I should have a syringe of synthetic oil around, and that should be handy and helpful. It should be. It should. So let me think about this. 31541. One, what seems to be a wonky mechanism, maybe because of being sticky. Two circuit boards that are weird. This circuit board, which came out of the third one, I think it was the third one, seems to be okay. This drive mechanism seems to be okay. It does. We have a vast assortment of chips here. I'm going to throw some more screws in this bag. I will. The head is moving. It sounds good. This is good. Now this, look, oh look, it's another 64. That, according to what I have written there, is good. Missing a PLA chip. These things happen. Okay, I'm gonna put that back down there. And we'll just wait for this to run through. And then it's possible that I will decide that it is good. Now the other thing I could do, I don't, no, I never did clean the head on this. See, there's one thing about head cleaning, and that is I figure if you don't need to do it, don't do it. Because weird things can happen, but I'll have a look at it. And I'll see after this does its thing if there is a reason. Like if I see obvious signs of dirt on there. And if it'll be Q-tip time, it will be. It will be. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is the sound of the head doing good things. As it does seem to be filling the disc. You can always tell when it's getting farther into this because the head moves farther. It does. So what I think I might do next time, after this is done, is maybe I'll put this board onto the other drive here that had weird things. Not the one, not the really wonky one, but the other. And see if that drive is working properly. I mean, I can do some testing on the Vic-20, and it's fine. Fine. But the 64 with this new and improved performance test is better. It is. And also, if I am so inclined, I can leave this when I have to go out, and I can leave it tormenting, which, if nothing else, gives everything a really good workout. Now, I think this is getting close to the end, because the head is moving a lot. but I don't know. I don't know. But this mechanism does seem to be pretty fine. Certainly if somebody said, hey, I need a good disk drive, or a drive mechanism, I would not hesitate to say, here's one. Here is one. And of course, I like the turn down, the turn door, rather than the pop down. But supposedly the heads on the Neutronics, which are the turn, like a little lever, fail much more than the ones with the pop down. It's just the way it is. Just the way it is. Just looking at the board. Looking for the device number pads, which I think I did a video where I actually might have done them wrongly. I might have. Where could they be? Huh. Interesting. I don't really see where they are. Let me grab another board here, which I believe is pretty much identical. 250446, and no, maybe similar. Hard to see the writing. Anyway, let's see. There's two pads there. Oh, jump J1, J2. Okay. Huh. But they're not there. They're not there. So, as always, things are the same, and yet different. Huh. J1, J2. Ugh. See, on this one, if you look near this great big capacitor, I think I've got it in there. You can see J1 and J2 right at the end there. One of them has a blob of solder on it. But this one is different. Where are they? Oh, whoa. We completed this. Yay. No. We don't want to do another one on that. We do not. Alright, well, put that down there. And then we'll see about testing the other drive. So, adios, as the program up there says. We'll see you again soon, back here in the TV room where I'm David Bradley, your host. Bye for now.